Hello viewers, my name is Rahmat Ali and by professional I am an electrical instrumentation professional. I am also National Examination Board of Safety and Health UK certified professional. From time to time I have been making videos to spread information about how to protect our environment, how to save energy, how to save money through different tactics. So this video is regarding our essential part of our human body, water, because most of the water we drink we buy from outside, because the people have no trust about the cleanliness of this water, so they buy potable water from outside and they purchase a water bottle. So the motive of this video is to spread the information how can we clean water at home, because it is very simple way and it is already tested this procedure, and in some countries this already machines are there and they are producing and they are selling this water in bottled water condition in the market, and in very nearby in UAE this water is available called melt water. So, and our Asian scientists produced this method, and also in many research carried out in Russia, and I also learned from this information, and I am also succeeded in making this melt water, this clean water. So I would like to share this information with you, because it's very simple process, and everyone can, if you have any fridge and deep freezer in your home, you can clean your potable water, and you can drink. It is up to you, because I will recommend to better you boil the water, potable water, whatever the water, boring water or ground water, you boil first and let it down the temperature. After you can freeze this water. So if you would like to learn how to make this clean water, please do watch this video from start to beginning, because this is very important and this is very simple, and please do share this information with others. And if someone who is new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel for let the information or you learned whenever I share this video. So thanks for watching.
In this video we will learn how to clean water naturally. So we will take the tap water. You will see in the video I am filling one plastic jar about 2.5 liter, and I will take the water in two similar size jars. For making comparison, after showing you this method how to clean water naturally through freezing method, so I took same water in two different plastic jars, round shape, and I am going to show you the TDS level of these two jars. So in my hand there is a TDS meter. Now it is 00. Now we are going to measure the TDS level of one jar. Total dissolved solids we will measure. How much is the TDS level, total dissolved solid in this tap water. And here is the result: 632 ppm, parts per million, 632 TDS level of one jar. Now we will going to measure the TDS of another jar, and we are measuring the TDS level of same water. Ultimately it will same, and you see the 631 631 ppm, both jars same TDS level, because same time I fill these two jars and we are going to keep this jar into freezer part or freezer, diffuser. Here is these two jar nearby diffuser, and I will keep one jar in the diffuser and one will keep for showing you the difference between the results. And I am going to keep this jar in the freezer, and I will keep this jar about 12 to 18 hours, because different timing and different TDS level I got, so I kept it around 18 hours. And picture you will see one jar is here already. Now I am going to remove the jar which I kept about 18 hours before. I will remove, and this became ice, and now we are going to puncture from top, because this round shape jar now in ice condition, and we will puncture from top, and we will remove the unfreezed water which is contaminated, and which is because it's the method, freezing method, because the pure water molecule freeze first, and they push the contaminant salts, whatever the particle inside, they push from the surface of the water to center position. You see in the center this unfreeze water is contaminated, all salt, whatever the particle inside, TDS dissolved solid are inside. You will see the color is difference, because all this contaminated water which we remove from the unfreeze water, and we will remove all unfreeze ice. Center part of this jar we will remove water, or what is crystal part, crystal clear ice we will keep, and we will remove this all ice. Now we will keep this jar, this ice to melt, and we will keep it for few hours, and it will convert it into water after few hours. And this here is this center part, the melt water which was in ice condition few hours before, and we will measure the TDS level of this jar. and we'll see how much is the difference after freezing and melting this water, and you will see the clear difference. You see 221. Earlier it was around 630, around this one. Is a huge difference. Water purified. And this is the boat, and this is the jar. You remember we keep outside of the deep freezer on the table. This is untreated, unfreeze water, same tap water, and we are comparing, and we will show you that how much change took place. You see this same 612 now, because 18 hours before we measure this 2 jars TDS level, so around similar. So heat difference took place after we kept in the freezer, ice and melt, and this is the water we remove from the jar, unfreeze water. This will be more TDS level because it's more contaminated, more dissolved particle inside. That's why the TDS level will be high. And through TDS meter I will show you the difference. All dissolved solids are in this water which we remove from the center of this ice jar. You see 103 multiplied by 10. Maybe this is not clear visible to you. 100 multiplied by 10 is around 1000 TDS level. You see the all contamination, all TDS, all dissolved solids are in this water. That's why this TDS level increase. So you saw that difference through simple freezing method. We purify our water. You can purify your water, your tap water, your potable water, bottled water, or you are in your house unbranded water is there and the TDS level is very high. You can reduce this TDS level through freezing method. So you save your money. So I do hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please do share and do comments. Thanks for watching.